They're in Christmas pyjama. They insist on putting on the Christmas pyjama.
This is my wonderful wife, and this is the outfit of the day.
You guys rarely see me from head to toe because I'm the one that's always vlogging. So you guys always see Tyler head to toe, Sarah head to toe, Babe head to toe. But today you guys getting a little glimpse. I feel so pretty today.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. Look how she go on your neck. Oh, watch her head. Oh my god. What's that?
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
132.
130 is good. Should be good because small nuts. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and it's very cloudy here on this side of the world, here in France. If you don't know where we are, yes, quite a few Jamaicans living in France. And I'm just so happy to be one of them. I'm living on the south side in Nice, beautiful, beautiful Nice. It reminds me of the Caribbean, just to give you guys an idea of what Nice is like. And if you stick around on my channel, if you're not new here, and if you're new here and you stick around, I have a video coming up of me doing a project for my class, my French class, where I go throughout the city and show touristic points speaking in French with my colleagues at school. So that video should be exciting because you guys will really see me speaking French that much for the first time. So I'm excited to share that video with you guys. Yeah, but right now I am about to head out, leave the fam bam at home. Yes. I'm leaving Babe and the kids at home because I have a date with my girls at 1 o'clock. One of my girl, actually, Danielle, and then I'm gonna meet another girl for the first time. She's from Bahamas, I think, Bahamas or Barbados, one of them, that Danielle met. I don't know if Danielle have ever met her in person as yet, but it will be my first time meeting her in person. I didn't really get much details on her, but I'm looking forward to meeting her. It's always good when the Caribbean girls link up. So we're gonna have a little brunch. Don't know exactly what I'm gonna eat at the brunch spot, but yeah, I'm ready and I'm gonna head out. But in the meantime, I'm helping Babe getting the kids lunch ready. So Sarah is gonna have pineapple, raspberry and noodles. Tyler detests, he hates raspberries, so Tyler, that's why you always see Sarah alone getting raspberries. So Tyler is having pineapples, sausage and sumul, the same thing that he had for dinner yesterday, if you guys watched yesterday's vlog. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and I have my little assistant about to enter. Or I am the assistant, I should say, because I'm heading out leaving him. So yeah, I'm getting ready to head out right now. It looks chilly outside because there is no sun. It is very cloudy. Yeah, so have a good day. Stick and stay with us. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog with the fam bam. I think I'm gonna carry the camera so I vlog a bit, so you guys will see them when I get back home. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Fourth member of the family.
Hi, I'm the little assistant.
Oh, you're the assistant, not me.
Oh, you were my assistant?
Yeah, I thought so.
Nah,
you were the one
you're always the
main
main one. You're always the number one. I'm just the side one.
You're my side piece?
Yeah, as long as you don't say side chick. That's what
side chick. No, chick is for girls.
Side chick. Oh, okay. I'm learning. Oh, you only say side chick for the girl?
Yeah.
And what do you say for the boy?
Side piece.
Side piece.
You want the sausage already?
No.
Can I say hello, Mama?
Sure.
Hello.
Jump, because you're too little, you're a dwarf.
This you?
Yes.
It's time for lunch. Go to the
Mama,
table.
can I show Fibs my phone?
Sure.
Take this. Take this.
No. This is the front. Wait. This is the front. And this is the back.
He says he's showing you guys his phone. So I guess here you guys have it.
Why don't you do that?
I won't be at the table.
Oh.
I'm about to go. Say hello to Faves.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Wait for you.
Mama, the camera, I can't see it.
That's fine.
Oh, okay.
You see it now?
Yes. I don't have no utensils.
May I have
May I have
utensils,
utensils, please?
Hi.
Let me frigo.
Hi. Switch.
J'ai pas mis frigo dessus.
You'll get it when you finish. Okay?
Taïtaï aussi, mais le téléphone ici.
Well, look at them having lunch without me. What? Yes, Mama put on clothes. Mama soon come back, okay?
This is my wonderful wife, and this is the outfit of the day.
You guys rarely see me from head to toe because I'm the one that's always vlogging. So you guys always see Tyler head to toe, Sarah head to toe, Babe head to toe. But today you guys getting a little glimpse. I feel so pretty today.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby.
Where you going like this?
Gonna have a little fun. Maybe I end up at the movies, I don't know. We'll see how I feel. What time you say the movie is for?
4:50.
4:50. So I might go. Daniel already see it, so I might go by myself. I don't know. If I don't come back home until 6 o'clock, then you guys know that. Or 7. Then you guys know that I'm out doing what Mel do. Anyway, you guys, I'm leaving you guys with my family. But you guys will see them because I'm taking the car with me. Okay. So if anything exciting happening, I'm expecting Babe to work on his phone until I get back. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna stop my antics. Do you guys love my little outfit? Tell me if you guys love. Alright, I'm looking now. Alright, so we are at this little spot called Akazi, and it's recently opened. It have smoothies and hot dogs and all the good stuff for brunch. So we are here with the girls, and this is inside. It's right at Karos, and we have these in here. There are fruits. There's sepambanya. There is a specialized sandwich of Nice. Then you have salads. You have fruits in there. Then you have ice cream over here. And that's what inside is looking like. There we go. And every time so I went, this is what I'm having.
Yeah. And I like the smell.
I'm having frappe.
I went 3 more times in the summer.
Yeah.
And 2.
It looks good.
This one? Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Let me get my phone. The app called City Mapo is...
This is French toast. Ask him because he's paying attention to somebody else. Hi guys, I am back home. I didn't vlog too much because the conversation was so good. Just kidding, I didn't want to have my camera all up in Carly's face. Because we met her for the first time. She's from Barbados and she's absolutely amazing. Conversation was easy, the vibe was flowing, the energy was right, and she's the sweetest. So yeah, we had so much good laugh, so much chat. We ate, we overate, we walked, we chat some more, and it was a good time. I think I didn't even see Danny because I didn't feel much. I just showed what we ate, and the conversation was just flowing. Yeah, now I'm back home with my noisy bunch. Back home with the fam bam, and they're here jumping and papa non-stop. So there they are. Baby, a vlog?
Yeah, I vlog.
What did you vlog?
All day, I vlog all day.
I don't believe you. That don't sound believable at all. Honey, you didn't vlog.
She didn't even leave the camera. So
Yeah, so vlog with your phone until I get back.
when I give you my phone, then you feel frustrated. What's that? Oops.
Delaveaus, yeah. Oi, Maria.
Ça va voir.
Papa, regarde maman, mais pas du tout que tu... Ah, je la vois. Sarah, on a récupéré baby. Donc on doit l'éliminer. Tu as enfin mal.
Stop. Stop, j'ai dit.
When you finish eat, you get TV. No TV while eating, okay? Alright, you guys, back home, and it's a warm-up kind of day with sprucing up things.
Okay.
So that's Tyler's plate. What we have: smooth mixed with rice, corned beef and cabbage left over, and some fresh pineapple for the boy. And the husband is having chicken, smooth and rice, and the corned beef. And the madam, I'll give you a drama about this dish in a bit. Sarah is having a little bit of everything. Tyler detests. He hates raspberries. He doesn't want any tangerine. Sarah is having that. Now this was my lunch for Thursday. Was Thursday? Yes. But I went to school. I went to school on Thursday and found out that I was going on the road with my class. I wasn't going to stay in school. So I had to call back Babe for him to bring my camera, because what we were going out to do, I had to film it. So Babe was so nice to bring my camera back, and I just gave him my lunch because I couldn't be walking around with my lunch box all day. So that's why I'm having my lunch now, because he bring it back and put it in the fridge. And I didn't eat it yesterday, so I'm eating it today. Yes, so everything still looks so fresh. So this was my lunch for school on Thursday. So I have a piece of cheese, tomatoes,
Chicken?
what is this? Nuts, pecan nuts, chicken, avocado, and lettuce. Look at him. Teeth! Come out on my plate. Watch him face. That not look so inviting. Let me enjoy my food in peace. What say you? You rather your plate? No answer? No answer is better than saying something that you're not supposed to say, right?
But
You guys, look at my kids.
red belt.
Who are you, Ty?
An astronaut.
And Sarah is what?
Astronaut too.
An astronaut too?
Yes, it's not that she's a little astronaut.
You're astronaut one? She said she's astronaut. Tata is astronaut too? And you're astronaut one? Tyler, your outfit looks so nice as an astronaut. So he mixes police hat, his police vest, and his stormtrooper outfit to create an astronaut outfit. Sarah, what are you? She's an astronaut too. Okay. Hmm?
You're going to the moon? You're going to the moon?
Ty, you going to the moon?
No.
Where are you going? Mars. He says going to Mars. And Sarah, where are you going? Where you going? Where you going? She's going downstairs. That's as far as you'll get, Sarah. I don't wrong you. Let's Tyler alone go on to Mars. So Tyler, what you doing around here? But Jesus.
The oxygen mask.
Yeah. But he put it together nicely, no? So that's the oxygen tank on your back?
Yes.
And where are you going?
To the moon and to Mars.
You're going to moon and to Mars.
And I'm going all of the planets, but I'm not going on them. I'm just looking.
Okay, alright. You'll tell me
It will
about
take
it.
1 year and 2 months.
Alright, make sure you come back safely. We're waiting on you, okay?
Okay.
Jaja.
Ok, t'as la lettre.
Avocation.
Viens derrière mon dos. Sarah, viens derrière mon dos. Allez, monte encore. Non, t'as la laisse là. Monte encore.
Look how she go upon your neck. Oh, watch your head. Oh my God. What's that?
Là, tu peux pas faire ça.
Oh
Si je tombe,
God.
tu peux pas faire ça. Allez, terminus.
C'est à mon tour. C'est à mon tour.
Toi, t'es trop grand pour faire ça.
C'est à mon tour.
Toi, tu fais 40 kilos.
Mais c'est à mon tour. Je fais pas du tout 40 kilos.
Sarah, no! Sarah, no! Oh my God. Oh my God.
C'est mon tour. Voilà pour toi. Quand
You
toutes
see
les
them
caisses
in
seront
Christmas
ouvertes,
pyjama?
Noël sera là.
They're in Christmas pyjama.
No.
They insist on putting on the Christmas pyjama.
Le 4 décembre. À
And
l'école.
Sarah said you must go for the Christmas tree. She said, Mama send Papa. Send Papa for the tree. You send Papa for the tree?
Papa, chercher le Christmas tree.
You see? She said it.
À l'école, Petit Loup fabrique
Papa
une
va
couronne
chercher
de
le
Noël.
Christmas
In
tree.
2 weeks. Next week is
Cela
your
prend du
study.
temps.
And the
Yes,
weeks after.
Papa.
Il y met tout son cœur. Quel 7
It's
décembre.
favorite in Christmas book.
Petit Loup installe les décorations de Noël avec papa. Cela brille, cela scintille. C'est la fête à la maison. Le 10 décembre. Petit Loup décore le
The
sapin.
longer Sarah here gets, the more the curls come.
Une boule par ici, une guirlande par là, et une belle étoile tout en haut. Et le soir, c'est encore plus beau.